What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. So guess where we are? We are down in the cookbook library. See, there's all the shelves, right? So the pan room isn't finished, but I need my cookbooks out of these boxes. I feel weird not having my cookbooks available. So we are down here. We're going to be fixing a shelf. We've got to secure it to the wall. And we got to start unloading these cookbooks. I can't wait. I so want my cookbooks back in action, right? So join me. Today, we're in the cookbook library and we're going to free these cookbooks. Look at this. All these boxes are in the cookbook library. These aren't all cookbooks. So we have to move out the pan room stuff out of here, and we need to find the cookbook so we get them on the shelves. So let me give you a quick tour of the shelves that we do have, and I'll show you what we're doing to that shelf over there to get it ready to go. We made a little progress. We moved maybe 10 boxes that weren't cookbooks, so we're getting down there. I did see some boxes that are cookbooks, so I think they're on the other side. So we're making progress. So I just came across this box. This is like the history of our moves, right? So I put fall stuff in here, so I put fall there. But at one point we used this. I had my stuffed monkey in here. His name is 50. And I have free me. Free 50 now, and I'm being held captive, free 50. I won this monkey years ago at Marriott's Great America, and it cost me $50 on this bowling ball game. So I named him 50. And apparently at some point, 50 was in this box.
This other box says master bedroom 50.
Yeah.
Now it says basement.
Free me! Still moving stuff. We're almost there. We got maybe 8 more boxes to go. I'm a little tired moving this stuff, but we're almost there. We're almost to the cookbooks. Okay, I'm ready for my first box. Oh, we got all these boxes. That one over there says kitchen spices, but that's not what is in there. Look at that. PR2, Le Creuset, Instant Pot, those obviously aren't, and that Cuisinart, maybe not. But let's start getting this pile undone. We got my trusty beat up knife. I had a real nice one, but I can't find it. I have to be careful because I don't want to cut the books with this thing. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. This is the first cookbook box. So think there's anything good in here? No, I don't have anything. Oh, first book out is Jamie Oliver's Happy Days with a Naked Chef. We got corn. Crazy for corn. I got a thing there, so obviously there's something I was going to cook out of this. What do oh, Martha Stewart's weddings. Oh, yeah.
What's that got to do with cooking?
The best of Martha Stewart living weddings. Oh, so what do we got in here? We got casseroles. We got Chinese food, chowders, country cooking, fine cooking, Emerald. Why do I have 2 copies of that? David Burke, and a little bit at my table. What do we have in here? We have the Martha Stewart cookbook. In here we have, Art Smith, Back to the Table. That's a good one. We got Julia Child, The Way to Cook. And we have the Cook's Catalog, which I love that because it's all equipment. We have Michael Rule. This is one of my favorites. King Arthur. We got Mark Bittman. We got some more King Arthur. And home baking. Ooh, and here I got Southern Living Annuals. Yay, I love these things. I got a bunch of them. I'm missing a lot in the 2000s, but I have like all through the 90s. So I'm still on a quest to finish the set. Woo, this is quite a job. We got some King Arthur flour. Got some Diana Kennedy in here. We got Bread Baker's Apprentice. Chez Panisse. We have some baking books. Oh, this is looking good. I got Celebrating 100 Years of Jell-O. Oh my gosh, I remember this. I met Martin Yan. I was with Eric's mom, and she was just so tickled pink to meet him. It was so much fun. She loved it. We got to see him do a cooking demo. Oh my gosh, she loved it. I'm so glad that she was able to meet him. So Eric's in the middle of marking this so he can affix this to the wall. Sure, what are you doing over there, Eric?
This guy is not attached to the wall at all. That means he will fall over and kill you. So to save our lives, each of these sections have a little piece of metal that's attached to this side. So the first step is to mark up the pretty wall so we know where to drill our hole.
This unit is kind of strange because I actually bought this off of Facebook Marketplace, and it was someone's granddaughter had it. It came from some famous author. I don't remember who.
We're going to be for you guys.
What is that?
These are heavy-duty drywall toggle anchors.
Oh, okay.
And then you drive those into the drywall, and once the drywall's in there, then you just put this screw through that little circle. Sometimes if you don't have something like this, you can use maybe little L brackets and affix one into the bookcase and then one straight to the drywall, and life will be good, right? So we'll get drilling in a second here.
I've had some books that I bought at like library sales, or I got when this library closed. So I got a bunch of it's good to reuse and recycle. This is a great book, Principles of Bread Making. We're still going. So we got the Baking Bible. We've got one of my favorite books in the world, Richard Olney's Simple French Food. We have a wine book. We have some Baking Bible. Baking. Oh, that's Mastering Stocks and Broth. That's a good book. I'm sitting up here having a good old time. We have Legendary Texas Cuisine. We have a couple Williams Sonoma, Seasons Cookbook and Classics. I got some Country Cook, B. Tom's. That's a great book. So, Boo, you got it all up on the wall.
Let me see if it gets. Ah! Oh, it's actually holding pretty good. So I think we're ready for our shelves, baby.
Yeah. So how far did I get? Not that far. I did get a lot of boxes opened. But look at all them Instant Pots. Look at Eric.
I'm the model.
I got that done. And I got that done. And I still have this left. So look at me, I'm pretty exhausted. This is gonna take a few I think we've been down here about 4 hours. This is gonna take a few trips down here. At least we're making some sort of progress, right? I hope you have a great Wednesday. I hope you like this look at my the start of my cookbook library, and we'll see where we can take this. Have a great Wednesday, and I hope you have a great week.